No, that one was just be back there, and Jack just so happened to slip, and I'm like, oh!
Just like that, that's good.
David Blaine, eat your heart out.
You ever watch it when they make fun of you just like...
Yeah. Oh my god, what the F?
Cheese it! Cheese it! Cheese it! He's peeing orange soda!
That was my favorite CD! That was Chaw Millionaire, you bitch! Chaw Millionaire! You recording this whole time?
Bring it up higher, then we'll hit you back.
Chris Angel.
Chris Angel did it better, bitch. Chris Angel did it better.
This is the SUV jack?
Let's get a room.
Wow.
This is the SUV jack? No.
Let's get a room.
Semi-jack.
Really?
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a semi-jack.
Ah, it's just from Harbor Freight. Cheap, like 70, 80 bucks.
Hey, that's how much I